Does Seaview matters for one bedroom or not? As mentioned at the start, right, it's very hard to quantify and compare units because there are too many variables already. We have freehold, we have leasehold, we have big project, small project, we have new project, all project. So over here, right, I have tried to get two condos as similar as possible in terms of them being freehold, in terms of them having similar unit count and similar TOB dates. So here, right, what I really want to test is just the facing. So does Seaview matter or not for one bedroom? We have two properties over here. They TOP around quite a close timing. 2022, 2023. However, one of the properties over here, right, is along the beachfront. This one is Coastline Residences, which has less than 200 units. And then we have one more that is further back, it's called Neon. So for Coastline Residences, right, they have one stack over here that is actually facing over towards the park. And you can actually see the sea from the unit itself here. Both units were bought around the same time and also sold around the same time as well. We can see here, right, because this unit is Seaview, okay, the PSF is actually priced into the view. Therefore, this Seaview unit at Coastline was purchased at 2007, while the non-Seaview unit was purchased at 2003, almost 2004. Okay, but during the exit, when they sell in the resale market, the Seaview just managed to sell close to 2008 PSF, while the non-Seaview unit have to sell just at 2006 will do. He doesn't even need to touch 2007, but yet the profit is already more than the Seaview facing unit. And how about two units at the same condo? So one will be at the higher floor where you will get Seaview clearance, and then the other one is at the lower floor. So at 4th floor, obviously no Seaview because too low floor already. But end up what happened? Actually the same thing happened, similar to just now. Okay. Therefore, for one bedder, right, my conclusion is that for smaller freehold projects, it may not matter as much in terms of having Seaview or no Seaview. And most likely these units are not for own stay. So the exit strategy must be there in terms of being able to leverage on other units to exit. So just now we saw that the Seaview here, they purchased at 2007, right? If I can get a non-Seaview unit, one bedroom doing 2004, can I consider this unit or not? And also, right, if a non-Seaview unit, if it's already done 2004, okay, should I pay 2006 for another non-Seaview unit? Right, that's the question, ma. So I shouldn't, ma, correct? So when it comes to pricing, right, when we compare the latest new launch, okay, I have to use Mayor Mansion over here, which TOP in 2024, because Mayor Blue doesn't have one bedroom. And if I use Mayor Mansion one bedroom, these stacks are non-facing. And earlier on we mentioned, right, non-facing, my preference is non-facing to non-facing is best not to overpay. And in fact, it's better to pay similar prices lah. So looking at the recent done one bedroom non-sea facing at Mayor Mansion, they have done 3001 for the latest ground floor, and this was in 2022 already. So now in 2025, right, if I calculate the price matrix for Arina East, meaning that I take the size, multiply by possible PSF values. Okay, these are by no means the official prices yet lah. It's just me calculating based on my own pricing, based on some PSF values here. Personally, I would consider Arina East one bedroom if the PSF range is around here, or rather the price range is around here lah. Okay, anything more I really won't consider.